Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's like this isn't my channel. Hey guys, so today I'm going to do a quick little IGTV story, and I'm going to basically share with you guys how to do a faux shiplap wall. So this was a really popular video that I had last year, and I just decided to make a video here on IGTV for you guys if you haven't checked out that video. So basically I'm just going to be showing you on our living room wall in here. Since that video we've moved, so the only place that I have shiplapped is above the fireplace. So now I'm just going to do the whole wall in the living room. The video, I'm gonna have it, the original video, I'm gonna have that linked in my bio, and also I'm gonna have it linked in my stories. So you can swipe up on my stories, or you could just check. You could just click the link in my bio, and it'll take you to the video, and I will have all the items and stuff that I use. They'll be linked. So mainly the tape and then the laser level that I'm using. If you want to purchase those or you want to look at them, you can just go to that video and the links will already be there for you. So yeah, it's really simple to do. You just want to make sure that your lines are 6 inches apart and that they're straight. So I'm going to show you guys how to get that done. So let's get started.
Understand the things that we want, but you keep coming back. I want love you don't know, so why are you here? Yeah, I should take it back so that you don't know where my heart is at. I can't change the past, don't wanna complicate things. Maybe if I asked, was any of it real?